Ever wondered why we say bless you after a sneeze? This phrase dates back to ancient times around 500 AD. People believed sneezing could expel evil spirits or illness. In some cultures, it was thought the soul could escape during a sneeze. To protect the sneezer, others would say bless you as a safeguard. In medieval Europe, it became a common practice to invoke blessings. Pope Gregory I even suggested saying it to ward off the plague. Today, it's a polite response showing care for others. So next time you sneeze, remember this rich history. Subscribe for more surprising facts.